Friends, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt nervous while speaking English? Have you ever known the words in your mind but your tongue just froze? Or maybe you tried speaking but people laughed or didn't understand you. If yes, then don't worry, you are not alone. Today, in this video, I'll show you how to speak better English. Not just grammar, not just rules, but real practical steps that will make you confident, clear, and fluent. So, stay with me till the end because I promise you, if you practice these methods, your English will transform. Speaking English is not about perfection, it's about communication. Even native speakers make mistakes. The key is don't stop speaking. Confidence is more important than grammar. Imagine a child learning to talk. Does the child worry about grammar? No. They just try and slowly get better. Same with English. Practice makes progress, not perfection. Stop comparing yourself to others. Be proud of every small step. Believe that mistakes are part of learning. To speak better English, you must first listen better. When we were children, we learned our mother tongue by listening for years. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, news, and songs in English. Listen to the rhythm, tone, and pauses. Then imitate. Speak like an actor, like a radio host. Good speakers are good listeners first. Here's an exercise. Choose a 1 minute English video, listen carefully, then repeat exactly like them. Copy their voice, their speed, their style. Words are your weapons in conversation, but don't try to learn 100 words daily. Learn 5 useful words daily. Instead of saying very big, say huge. Instead of start, say commence. Write them in a notebook. Use them in a sentence the same day. A learner once replaced the word happy with delighted and immediately sounded more confident. That's the power of vocabulary. Don't fear grammar, you need just basic grammar to speak well. For example, I eat food, I ate food, I will eat food. That's enough for 80% of conversations. Focus on clarity, not complex tenses. Keep it simple but correct. The biggest secret is practice out loud. Think in English. Don't translate from your language. Talk to yourself in the mirror. For example, today I woke up at 7 am. I ate breakfast. Now I am practicing English. Join speaking groups or find a partner. Record your voice, listen, and improve. If you want to speak English, you must actually speak English. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Write your daily diary in English. Read English signs, labels, newspapers. Instead of saying, "Mujhe pani chahiye," say, "I want water." Slowly, your brain will accept English as natural. You don't need a British or American accent, you need clear pronunciation. Break words into syllables. For example, important instead of important. Use tongue twisters. She sells seashells by the seashore. One student practiced the th sound every day and his speech improved in just 2 weeks. Clarity is better than accent. Fluency means speaking smoothly without long pauses. Here's a trick. Connect small sentences instead of saying I like football. Say I like football and I play every weekend. Don't chase speed, chase smoothness. Fluency is not speed, fluency is flow. Start small conversations daily. With friends, how was your day? At a shop, how much is this? On calls, can you please repeat that? Each small conversation gives confidence. Every conversation is practice. So, friends, remember this. Speaking better English is not about being perfect, it's about being confident, consistent, and clear. If you listen more, speak daily, learn new words, and don't fear mistakes. Then slowly your English will become better and better every day. Always remember the golden line. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Be afraid of not trying. So start today. Your future English speaking self is waiting. If you enjoyed this lesson, please share this with your friends who also want to improve English, and subscribe this for more English learning stories, tips and motivation, because together we will not just learn English, we will speak it with confidence.